Adding a mirror column requires a solid understanding of the Connect Boards column, which we covered in the last session. These two columns, Connect Board and Mirror, partner to pull information from various boards, displaying the updated data directly on your new board. In this example, the mirror columns will show the information coming from these three low-level boards. After setting up a Connect Boards column, open the column center, search for Mirror, and select Add to Board. Once you add the Mirror column, you'll be asked to connect it to your Connect Boards column. On click of the Connect button, it will prompt you to designate the Connected Board column for mirroring. Selecting this board column triggers a new window that lists the groups representing each of the connected boards linked via the Connect Boards column. For this scenario, let's mirror the status columns to ensure the mirror column reflects the status of every connected item. This color bar in the mirror column displays the status label colors of items in the connected cell, along with their percentage breakdown within that column. Hover on the progress bar to reveal the status details and percentage. Click a status to view its associated items. Choose an item from the list to review or update its details. Clicking this opens a pop-up window where you can view details, modify attributes, and change the item's status. Modifying the status will immediately reflect in the progress bar. Returning to the Planning and Assessment board will show your updated changes. Any status changes made here will automatically sync to the mirror column on the high-level board. You can see that changing the status to completed on the execution level board dynamically updates the corresponding mirror column on the high-level board. To update the information shown in a mirror column, simply click the three dots beside the column title, hover over Settings, and choose Customize Mirror Column. You can change the column type by using the drop-down under each connected board. These modifications become effective immediately. Consequently, the mirror column will update to showcase the current data pulled from each linked item. You can see here that when items are added to or removed from the Connect Board cells, the mirror column budget values update instantly. How to tailor a mirror column to your needs. Our mirror column currently pulls the data from the numeric budget column. It currently shows the total budget for all linked items. We can choose different options to display these reflected numbers, such as the average, median, max, count, or minimum values for this budget column. As another example, you can configure a status mirror column to display either all labels or what's done. It defaults to showing all label values, but you can switch to what's done to only display completed tasks in the progress bar. Revert to all labels to view overall progress. Keep learning. Follow @the Leadership Lanes for more project management hacks.